In this week's episode, we look at the latest price movements on the fresh produce markets in South Africa and see that potato prices increased by 21%, while onion prices also came under severe pressure. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and this is the AMT John Deere Fruit and Vegetable Outlook, brought to you by John Deere, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota Ottery and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. Feel free to visit our website at amtrends.co.za for the latest prices, information and more detailed reports. You can also enjoy these videos on YouTube and Facebook or join one of our popular WhatsApp groups. But with that said, let's look at what happened in the economy over the past week. The rand is trading at 18.76 per US dollar, and both American and South African interest rates remained stable last week, as most analysts expected. However, cost-push inflation may remain at a higher level due to higher fuel prices and the weaker rand. Brent oil prices did decrease slightly the last week, now trading on $94 per barrel. This drop was driven by lower expected demand due to weaker global economic outlooks. In the vegetable market, the average national potato price spiked last week and increased by 21% to 107.04 Rand per 10 kilogram bag. This was mostly due to 27% lower volumes. The latest price is now 198% higher than a year ago, while volumes are 44% lower. We also saw these high prices on the Nile.ag platform, with the average Class 1 large medium mondial price increasing to between 120 and 125 Rand per 10 kilogram bag. Extremely low volumes from the northern production areas are putting severe pressure on supply on the markets at the moment and resulting in these high prices. Tomato prices decreased by 16% to 6.61 Rand per kilogram, mostly due to volumes increasing by only 1% over the past week. The expectation is that this price can continue on an upward trend this week, but then possibly decrease again towards the middle parts of October. The national average carrot price decreased by about 10% to 3.62 per kilogram, while the average Class 1 large price traded lower on 46.50 per 10 kilogram bag on the Nile.ag platform. I think that we can see slightly better prices this week, with demand likely to increase as most people will receive their salaries, which can result in slightly better demand. Onion prices came under severe pressure, decreasing to 56.83 per 10 kilogram bag, which is 21% lower week on week and 33% lower than a year ago. Last year this time we really saw onion prices taking off and increasing sharply on the back of lower supply. The brown Class 1 large medium price on Nile.ag also decreased and traded between 55 and 60 Rand per 10 kilogram bag. This broadcast is made possible by John Deere, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota Ottery and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. Nile's online market makes it possible to order directly from South Africa's leading producers. Producers get the benefit of better price transparency, lower commissions and of course faster payments. Learn more about Nile.ag on their website www.nile.ag and download their app for easy online trading. For a journey of a lifetime, let Halfway Toyota Ottery help you find your first prize. For more information, contact their dealer principal and review them directly on 083 457 8057 and get the best price and service nationwide for the Toyota of your choice. The average pepper price decreased by 20% to 18.73 per kilogram, which was mostly driven by lower demand. Cabbage prices remained on extremely low levels, now trading on 2.25. Garlic stayed on a higher level and traded on 78.32. Spinach decreased to 2.16, while the latest sweet potato price increased again to 8.94 last week. There is a severe shortage of sweet potatoes currently, with volumes 58% lower than a year ago, resulting in the current price to trade 234% higher compared to last year this time. The pumpkin price decreased to R921 per kilogram, but is still 134% higher year on year. Moving over to the fruit industry, the banana price is currently trading on R11 per kilogram, which is now 117% higher than a year ago. The expectation is that these higher prices can persist until the end of the year due to lower expected supply. Apple prices increased to R10.41, while pear prices increased to R10.46 per kilogram last week. Pear prices can potentially increase sharply from here on out as local volumes can decrease further. The orange price continued in its upward trend the past week and increased by 5% to R5.22 per kilogram, with volumes about 31% lower only over the past week. Expect these prices to continue in its upward trend. ABOVE prices decreased to R18.26. Table grape prices traded lower on R65.48, with the latest pineapple price on R9.05 per kilogram. Zimmatic irrigation systems are built to last, from industry-leading durability and strength to innovative enhancements and advanced technology. Every product is designed to be a part of a custom and flexible solution that will best support you and your field. These videos are made possible by John Deere, Nile.ag, Toyota Ottery, and Zimmatic irrigation systems. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe, and thank you for watching.